Lions are powerful creatures, but even a lion can't do very much when it's limited. A lion that is unlimited can't do anything. We at Admire have always been proud of our powerful software. We are proud of it still, but our software has been caged for far too long. It has been limited. You have been limited. And we want to welcome you now to a new age, an age of unlimited, with the new Admire Unlimited plan. We're going to provide clarity now about the plan so you can be fully informed as you join the ranks of many Admire clients who have already taken this next step for the betterment of their data management. First, a little background about what's actually been limiting the software until now. 1. The customer support model. As things stand right now, clients lack sufficient knowledge in how to properly use Admire software. They either use the software at far less than its full capacity, or use Admire tech support as almost a virtual secretary for all kinds of things that they should be able to do on their own, or both. Waiting in endless phone and email support queues several times a day for an Admire representative to perform basic tasks you would find very simple to perform on your own if you simply knew how to do them is not unlimiting, it is very limiting. The second limit, tech antiquity. The core Admire program installed on every client's computer has an old infrastructure. It requires clients to maintain their own servers and the services of their own IT company, who are responsible for database speed, backups, and the like. And this presents its own set of problems. Lots of things can go wrong between your program and your server that we simply cannot fix because we aren't the ones maintaining your system. Until now, you used a powerful software that was just too limited. We're not going to limit you like that anymore. Your Admire Unlimited plan boasts 3 main components. 1. A completely re-envisioned tech support model where training and coaching are the goal. 2. A hosted home for your Admire software on Admire's own secure servers. And 3. Full access to Adrenaline, Admire's sleek new software, and to Admire's other add-ons, plugins, and modules. Let's take this step by step. Number 1. The service plan. Your organization will now be assigned a dedicated Admire consultant from our team, and your organization will choose one of your staff members as your designated Admire coordinator. Here's how the actual process looks. Your organization meets regularly in pre-scheduled sessions with your Admire consultant. Your coordinator, remember that's the one on your end, makes sure to gather and submit topics, figure out which of your staff members need to be present on which consultant meeting, and so forth. They coordinate your organization's relationship with Admire to make it very efficient and very beneficial. At these sessions, your Admire consultant will train your organization in how to use the software properly so you don't keep hitting dead ends through no fault of your own. When conducive, the consultant will provide hands-on assistance beyond training. The consultant will coach your organization in how to use all of Admire's options that you may have never even known existed. When a project you want is beyond the purview of a consultant, we'll still offer customizations at an additional cost, with your consultant helping you navigate the process efficiently. And here's a big one. Rather than simply responding to your needs as they arise, the consultant will actually review your organization's calendar and proactively guide you through the year as you work through report cards, PTA, dinners, fundraising campaigns, and more. With Admire Unlimited, you will no longer be limited by a lack of knowledge in how to use Admire software. And even though we'll keep focusing on training, when you're just stuck, you now have a designated consultant to discuss it with. Now, here's how the technological aspect of Admire Unlimited works. So, the technological piece is really the second piece. Your Admire Unlimited program begins with the consultant meetings. Once you and your consultant have gotten comfortable with the new setup, Admire will roll out your migration to the cloud. That means that your Admire software, your same familiar core Admire software with its same look and same screens, will exist on the internet, on Admire secure servers. Your financials and other sensitive data will be backed up by our technicians and receive quality protection from breaches and hacking, about $10,000 worth of IT fees to do on your own, and incredibly, because your Admire will be on the internet, everyone in your organization will be able to access Admire anytime, anywhere, at work, at home, on the go, from any computer or laptop. Being hosted on our servers also means improved functionality of your Admire system, with higher speeds and fewer glitches to automated reports and other features, and you'll get all software upgrades and updates automatically and no additional charge. Let's move on to a final perk of Admire Unlimited. Admire Unlimited provides access to Admire's full suite of software, services, and modules. You'll get access to Parent Portal, an invaluable resource for schools where parents can upload compliance and other documents directly, so your organization can seamlessly download them to their accounts on Admire. You'll get access to the event check-in module, and more. Most significantly, alongside your familiar Admire software, you'll be granted access to our sleek Adrenaline platform. With many new updates released in the past few months, it really is a modernized and intuitive way to access the same data and get more out of it. We know this model will empower your organization to get far, far more out of Admire than you were getting until now. At the same time, there are several aspects of this model which may take some time to get used to. It may be annoying that we'll be pushing customer training so much when sometimes all you'll want is an instant band-aid. Keep in mind though that we're not crazy. If you got an IRS audit going on, we won't be chewing your ear off about how to precisely create a subquery in a filter. We're here to help you, and we've got your back. The fact that your Admire software will now be hosted on our servers means getting used to some more tweaks and changes as well. With an internet connection, you'll have Admire access anytime, anywhere. However, if your internet goes down, your data stored in Admire will be temporarily inaccessible. Also, some users may find the internet login process slightly annoying, especially because, as part of the security system, you'll need to go through two-factor identification every time, so you'll either need to accept an automated phone call, tap an app on a phone, or get a text. Also, there are a few straightforward changes to downloading, uploading, and printing from the system. On the financials end, recording QuickBooks transactions and check scanning have slight changes to the processes as well. We think you'll find acclimating to Admire Unlimited to be more than worth it as you watch the line that is Admire grow into its full strength. But it's what you think, what bothers or delights you and your staff that you'll need to take into account, of course. Please share this video with all your Admire users in your organization. Get clarity as to how this will affect them too. And then we ask you to please look forward and see the incredible benefits this new model will provide your organization. The training, the efficiency, the security, the accessibility. It is truly in order to serve you better that our company is going in this direction. For anyone who does not wish to join us on this great leap forward to Admire's new age, you can certainly continue to use the core Admire program. In fact, we will issue you a 10-year free license so your original investment continues to work for you. Beginning July 1st, clients who've chosen to stay with their old Admire system without moving to Admire Unlimited will see very reduced tech support available. Support will be offered only via email on a pay-as-you-go basis. The ticketing system, the live phone tech support, and the structure wherein we would log onto your computer to remotely assist you or see what was happening on your computer in real time are all being retired for non-Admire Unlimited clients. We are also sunsetting the option to host your Admire on our servers without purchasing the full Admire Unlimited package. Join us. Take the step to the new age together with us. Make the choice for your organization to unleash the full power of your data, to unlimit the lion so it could take its rightful place as the Melech HaChayes. Let us empower you to manage your data so it works for you more efficiently than it ever did before. Join us as we unlimit the power, the lion that is Admire. Experience Admire Unlimited, unlimited empowerment.